two are busy, and their vision isn't good. Damn it. When I was about 20 or 30 meters away from him, the two looked like they're drunk. Because when we got closer and looked, the person in front was leading the one behind. The one behind looks like a blind person, but I'm not sure. Just saying that makes me feel guilty. This is so disgusting. Stuck right next to it. It's all stuck here. Can't get it off. Not this one. Wow, AK. Ha 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 ha. Look, I took a picture of you. How long has it been since you've seen the sea? How much do you really understand about yourself? Ruling the world. I go my own way. Admired by all. Ruling the world. I never need to look back. Overturning the world. This guy is still protecting the pink one. Now I'm looking at these guys. Damn it. You. He deliberately doesn't fight back. He deliberately doesn't fight back. To the high level. The mistress's mom is whispering about his mom. Right? Wife, kids, the whole family is fine too. Look at the high end. I'm pretending to be civilized here all of a sudden. If you had morals, you wouldn't be a mistress. What a sweetie. My hands are happy for her. Speechless. Really speechless. Don't wanna know. The guest requested this song. My heart has closed. My tears are about to burst out. In my heart. Well, what's? No wait. It's my own land. This forest is your land. I paid money to buy this land. This is your land. I paid money to buy the land. I can't. Is this thing an ad or what? Then I'll grow watermelons. Can't sell watermelons. I'll record this then. Then record it. You guys are too overbearing. Can this guy even manage his own land? I spent over 1,000 yuan to buy the land. You don't allow it. You don't. Do you manage the city and also manage? Why do you come here and also manage the factory and the land? Come to the park. I paid for this place. Paying to buy land works. Cultivating terrain. If I cultivate the land, how can I jump rope or something? That definitely won't work. Why can't I grow cantaloupe? You are the law enforcement team. That's awesome. If you speak again, I'll just say this. Then I'll manage it normally. Let him go play. Go find your leader. Also, sisters, I bought it in the countryside. My uncle gave it to me. So I joined. What's the matter? I spent my own money to buy the land. Our land is not enough. Don't let them go. Went to our land. Bro, okay. I won't say it again. You peasants are also in charge. That's really overbearing. Advertisement. I found advertised. Who should I ask? Who should I ask? Who should I ask? You black domineering guy. I'm good with you. Say I'm buying the land with money, right? I'm not good enough for buying the land with money. I'm buying the land with money, right? Can you speak to me properly? I'm talking to you properly. I said, is it the Virgin Mary's land? Is your land okay? I'm saying it now. I said I'll help you withdraw. You went the wrong way last time. You're so overbearing. Let me ask you, what do you mean? This is driving the wrong way. Never mind if I'm going the wrong way. You're driving towards my car. Is that right? This road is wide. But you're driving the wrong way and still arguing with me. I'll eat you. This afternoon, we received a video report from a netizen. A vehicle was driving the wrong way on the Thai auxiliary road in the jurisdiction. After verification, our team interviewed the illegal car owner. They were criticized and educated for driving in the wrong direction and wearing high heels. For illegal acts that obstructed safe driving. The person involved was fined a total of 400 yuan and had 6 points deducted. Here, we would also like to remind all drivers to abide by traffic regulations when traveling. Drive safely and civilly. Around 2 p.m. this afternoon. Because I didn't follow the navigation. Drove the vehicle onto the auxiliary road of the Nantai Road interchange on the South 2nd Ring Road. Traveling from east to west. Entered the operating area. After realizing the operation, intended to steer out in front of a white car across the road. The blue one beeped and told me, this is the current area. I was nervous and impatient at the time. Plus, I was in a hurry. So, I left the scene with an attitude towards the white car owner. I have been educated and punished by the authorities. I have realized my mistake. Hereby I sincerely apologize to the traffic police comrades, the affected vehicles and drivers, the vehicle owners and the general public, for my actions, and accept everyone's criticism and supervision. I'm sorry.